Subject SCP-016. Object Class Keter. SCP-016 is a highly adaptable blood-borne pathogen. It can survive up to 6 hours on hard surfaces and several minutes suspended in air. Only intense ultraviolet light and orthophthaldehyde solutions have proven effective in sterilization. Patient 0 was a miner who suffered a small injury underground. Days later, the entire camp was dead. Even the CDC crisis team sent to contain it was infected. The Foundation intervened and ended the outbreak with fire and explosives. SCP-016 must remain inside a 5 by 5 by 5 meter containment cell at a constant temperature not exceeding 0 degrees Celsius. The sample is kept in a sealed containment cube inside a sterile petri dish. Only Level 4 or 05 personnel are authorized to handle or extract any material for experimentation. All operations require standard biological and chemical MOPP suits. If a breach occurs, personnel must enact Code Sigma lockdown immediately. All infected individuals are to be terminated on site. If containment fails after 48 hours, the on-site nuclear device must be detonated. Evacuation is not permitted under any circumstance. The incubation period ranges from 24 hours to 2 years. Initial symptoms resemble the common cold: itchy eyes, cough, mild fever, and joint pain. In Phase 2, hemorrhagic fever begins. SCP-016 causes micro-bleeding in the lungs, turning every breath into an aerosol cloud, a mist of blood that spreads the infection further. In Phase 3, total system failure. Victims bleed from every orifice: eyes, mouth, pores, genitalia. Blood pressure spikes violently. Some have been observed vomiting blood to distances over 5 meters. If the host somehow survives, the organism returns to dormancy, waiting for the next opportunity. But SCP-016 does more than kill. When exposed to extreme stress, it changes tactics. The organism begins rewriting the host's DNA, triggering rapid cellular reconstruction. Within hours, the body starts to mutate, bones twist, organs reform, and within 2 weeks, something new emerges. Most subjects die before completion. Those who survive become something else. Creatures engineered for survival. Some grow gills, others develop hardened skin or new appendages altogether. All exhibit violent, predatory behavior. They don't bleed, they don't weaken, they attack. Foundation researchers attempted to observe the virus's teratomorphic state under stress conditions. 5 recordings of these experiments were recovered. Quarters flooded slowly over 24 hours. Virus adapted. Lungs transformed into gills. Limbs mutated into fins. Subject expired after drainage. Body cremated without autopsy. Same conditions. Developed extreme muscle density and bone reinforcement. Attempted to break through steel door. drowned before escape. Former chemical engineer grew a new thoracic organ that produced acetylene and oxygen. Terminated by gunfire before detonation. Orders to focus on growing wings. No stress stimulus applied. No mutation occurred. Died during hemorrhagic phase. Placed in acrylic chamber suspended 1,000 feet above a mine shaft. Timer set to simulate an explosive countdown. Virus-induced a spinneret-like organ on left wrist, extruding silk-like fibers to secure the chamber. Terminated upon detonation. Same organism, different results, different forms. SCP-016 learns, it thinks, it adapts.